Families with children 5 to 11 years old now have some clarity. Halfway through the semester, their child might be able to get the COVID-19 vaccine, possibly sometime around Halloween time. So will this mean we'll see more students enter school buildings? I work to find out.
That makes me feel extremely happy.
Many Nevada parents of young children, like Dr. Christina Madison, breathing a sigh of relief.
Even though pediatric COVID is typically less severe, you could have that one instance where your child could end up with the multi-system, inflammatory syndrome.
Now that Pfizer says they're finding its COVID-19 vaccine is safe in kids as young as 5.
All of this is just a very welcome news for us as we continue to send our kids to in-person learning.
Still, more than 20,000 students remain in virtual learning throughout Clark County School District, including those who, amid the Delta variant surge, recently switched to the district's free online public school Nevada Learning Academy, or NVLA.
Most of the families that have chosen NVLA for the school year in such high numbers has been due to the fact of either parents, siblings, the child student themselves, or extended family that may reside in the home being medically fragile.
So would these same families put their kids back into school buildings once their student can get the shots? Or better yet, will CCSD even let them switch back in the middle of a school year?
That, I believe, is a question we're still pending a firm answer on.
Same goes for us. Fox 5 reached out to CCSD's communications office, and they have yet to respond. But just because Pfizer expressed optimism doesn't mean we'll see a mass exodus from distance learning. Roughly 12,000 students are in distance learning through their school, and more than 8,000 are in NVLA currently. Kara Jones' 11-year-old son is one of those at NVLA.
I think we're going to stick with the online just because of different health issues with everyone in our family.
She says this news won't affect them as she does not plan to vaccinate her child.
There's so much uncertainty. I'm trying to keep me and my family safe and,
Still, for some families like Dr. Madison's, if younger children become eligible, the choice is a no-brainer.
My 5-year-old is definitely going to get vaccinated.
I'll continue to bring you the latest from CCSD regarding whether and how soon students who wish to go from distance learning to in-person learning can do so. Now, coming up in our 5 o'clock newscast, we'll hear more from Dr. Madison, who's a medical expert on immunizations, about what this impact could mean for students currently in schools. Reporting live, I'm Maddie White, Fox 5 News, local, Las Vegas.